Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to delete your Expedia account. So first we're going to go to our Expedia app. So since we're already logged in, we're going to click on the account section. Then again we're going to scroll downwards where you see security and settings. You're going to click on it. Then again we're going to scroll downwards, and on the bottom page, as you can see, there is the delete account option. You're going to click on it. Then it's going to ask you questions, the reasons why you want to delete your account. So if you want to select any of those, you can. If not, you can select skip. So here's where you can permanently delete your account. So you're going to click on it, then your account will be gone. So this is how you do it. It's an easy tutorial. Make sure to check our other videos as well. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.